Hello, welcome back. Today I am gonna explain briefly the roots of the quadratic equations of class 10 BSEm. So please don't skip, please watch till end.
To find the relations of roots of the quadratic equations, now we have ax squared plus bx plus c. Consider that this is equation 1, and now you multiplying both sides by 4a, and you consider that a is not equal to 0. Then we get ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 when you multiply with 4a. Then the equation will change into 4a square x square plus 4abx plus 4c equal to 0. AC. And then again 4 is the square root of 2. Then you can write here 2ax common square, and when you multiply 2 into 2, 4a into a square, x into x square. Then in short, you just open the formula for a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Then now you consider that this is a. Then when you open the formula, you get from twice a x into b plus b square. This is twice a b. You take ax as b, and then it will come twice ab plus b square, and then here will come b square plus 4ac. And then next here twice ax plus b whole square. Instead of this, you write the formula like here a plus b whole square. You consider this is a and this is b, and when you open the formula for a plus b whole square, you will get a square plus twice ab plus b square. It is very equal. And next here you put equal sign, and you transfer this minus b into left hand side. Then it will come plus b square, and minus and plus will turn into minus, it will come 4ac. And next again 2ax plus b, open the bracket, and then if square root cross equal sign, it will turn into plus minus b square minus 4ac. Get plus minus because there is two sign here. And again next twice ax equal to plus b will come here plus 4ac. And let us find the value of x. Right here x equal to, when multiply cross equal sign, it will turn into b square minus 4ac. It will turn into divide, and you get here twice a. Then you can conclude here, therefore the root of the quadratic equations are alpha. Consider that alpha equal to b plus root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a, and you consider that beta is equal to b minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2 A. And this is for the relation rules of the quadratic equations. And now let us again find the sum of the product. Let's say alpha plus beta is equal to sum of product. Sum of product alpha plus beta is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here will come plus because we are going to find the sum. Here plus, so it will come here plus, and here b minus b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Again, alpha plus beta equal to, I will continue the reverse equation, b plus b square minus 4ac plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a by 2a. And here alpha plus beta is equal to, when you take the LCM of these two denominator, twice a, you will get here twice a, and here minus b, and here minus b, here plus, here minus, you can cut this one, and the remaining will be only minus b minus b. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus twice b divided by twice a. Then alpha plus beta is, when you cut 2 and 2, remaining will be b and a. So hence sum of the root alpha plus beta is minus b by a. And again let's find the value of the product. And product is alpha and beta. Alpha and beta, there's a multiply between alpha and beta. Then here b plus, you consider 4ac divided by 2a multiplied, here we can multiply on the previous sum because you get plus, but now here multiplied, so here b minus b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So when you multiply twice into twice a, you get here 4a square, and then here minus into minus, minus b square plus into minus, minus b square minus 4ac square. And you cut the minus into minus, you get here b minus, if you cut the square and root, remaining will be b square minus 4ac and divided by 4a square. And here b minus, sorry, bracket here, when you multiply minus into minus, minus b, and here minus, minus to plus, minus to minus plus 4ac. Then here we get, you can cut minus b and minus b, and you get here 4ac divided by 4a square. Then here you got 4 and 4, remaining will be a and a square, and you can still cut a and a, then a, c, and remaining will be only a. So therefore, or hence, sum of product is alpha and beta equal to c by a.
Thanks for watching.